So today is Friday, April 1st. I can't believe it's already April. I feel like it was literally like January yesterday, but it's currently 9:15 in the morning. I just got ready and I'm gonna go take the cats to the groomers and they're gonna get their nails trimmed. I just got dressed for the day. I'm just wearing this little white matching set from, where is this from? Oh my gosh, I'm blanking right now, I don't remember. Oh, Nasty Gal. And then I'm wearing my pink and white Nikes. And then I'm just wearing this little black hat from San Francisco that I got. Currently also breaking out, so don't mind that. We love to see it. I'm actually kind of purging because I did a chemical peel a week ago, last Friday, so sometimes it gets worse before it gets better, but that's good because purging is telling you that whatever you had done, that treatment or those products are pushing everything out to the surface. So I'm currently breaking out and I have had like acne on my jawline and kind of like cheek area, mouth area in the past, but my acne is never inflamed. It's always non-inflamed acne, which is like little bumps that just kind of sit under the skin, and then you have like inflamed acne where your acne is actually like present on the surface of the skin and it's really red, you have pustules, stuff like that. So mine is definitely inflamed right now, but it's a good sign because my chemical peel is just pushing all of that crap out of my pores, out onto the surface, and my new skin is coming through. So we love to see it. I'm also doing a series on my boyfriend Noah, so we're gonna do a series of 3 chemical peels each. I've been taking before and after photos, so I'll have to keep you guys updated on that. There's Penny. Hi, my pretty Penny princess. You're a cute baby. And there's Archie boy. So I'm gonna go take them. Usually we can do it at home, but Penny's really good. She just like gets super jumpy. She's like a little scaredy cat, and I just get scared that I'm gonna like clip her nails too far or like get her skin or something, because one time we clipped them and she started bleeding just a little bit, but it freaks me out and like I feel really bad. So I'd rather just like go down the street and take them to the groomers, and these people are really, really good. It's just like a cute little small business. So I don't know, I have anxiety when I like try to do it here. Maybe one day we'll get better, but I'm gonna grab all my stuff and then walk the cats out to the car. So I will keep you guys updated. Okay guys, the cats are successfully in the car. They're staring at each other. Archie hates car rides so bad. Every time we go to California, he poops in his cage. It's sad, but it's funny. Noah and I joke about it and we say that Archie pooped his pants. but it's okay. But luckily the groomers is like 10 minutes down the street, so we're chilling. But I'm gonna head over there now so that they can do that, get it over with, and come back home. And I think I'm gonna run through Starbucks on the way home too and grab a drink and a little chocolate croissant because I have a free croissant on my Starbucks app, so thought I'd treat myself. Well, he's acting up now, so I'm gonna go. Hi! I love you so much. You're gonna be okay. It's okay, Penny. What? Meow. Meow. We are on the move to the groomers. You can hear Penny in the back. It's so sad. Mama loves you. Oh, I love you. She's so cute. I just can't. I can't. I love her too much. Meow. 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 Oh, my poor baby. It's okay, Penny. Meow. Mama's gonna get you there safely, and then you come home and you can take a nappy and look at the birdies, okay? Yeah, that sounds nice, right? She's like, no.
Can constantly get those clients there. So between the analysis and me having the knowledge to do a confident
got their nails cut. They did so good. It was Penny's first time. She was a little skittish, but we We made it work. Archie's been there a couple times, so he was pretty good. He was easy. Penny was fighting it a little bit, but just gotta get her used to it. I'm on my way home now. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks, drive through, and just get a drink and a chocolate croissant, because that sounds bomb right now, and I have the day off today, so I thought, why not treat myself? I can never get a Starbucks drink the days that I work because I don't drink coffee or anything, so I think my body's not used to the caffeine levels, and it makes my hands and my body shake so bad, and my hands can't be shaking when I'm working because I work with my hands. That doesn't really go well when I'm trying to do lashes and facials and things like that. So I'm gonna go treat myself to a venti dragon drink, and I'm addicted. I actually got some ingredients to make it at home myself. I'm still trying to perfect it, so if and when I do, I will let you guys know what my recipe is, but I've tried it with grape juice and then I tried it with apple juice, and I think just like I need to tweak the measurements a little bit, but it doesn't make me shaky when I'm like doing other things. I think it's just because like I'm trying to focus with my hands, and the caffeine just like gives me the jitters. So no caffeine for Amanda before work. Oh my god. Alright guys, we made it to Starbucks. So excited.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I please get a venti dragon drink?
Is it a venti dragon drink?
Yes, and can I get it with light ice?
Yeah?
And then can I get a chocolate croissant warmed up?
Absolutely.
And that's everything.
Awesome. See you up there.
Thank you. So I've been listening to a podcast. I just found out that Dermalogica has a podcast. It's called Living Skin on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen to your podcasts, but I've been binging those. I also love the Dallas Estheticians pod. Hers is called The Blondest. And then I also have listened to Glymed's podcast, but I really love Savannah's and Dermalogica's. If you guys are in the industry and need something to listen to, definitely suggest those pods. They're really good. Hi. Okay. And then can I use my stars?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so it's gonna be 581 and I can charge that.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. Could I get a straw, please?
Yeah, of course. And here you go.
Thank you. You too. OMG, you guys, this looks so good. I need to show you my drink. I'm gonna die. I'm addicted. 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 My camera's gonna fall. That's okay. Okay, my turn. Whoa, my camera's holding on for dear life. Okay, look at my drink. Look how gorgeous this is. Ah! I'm obsessed. Oh my god, that's so good. All right, I'm gonna take you guys down because you're gonna fall and die. Okay guys, we made it home from Starbucks and the groomers. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Like, I have the day. So I'm gonna eat my Starbucks and probably watch a few YouTube videos that I've been wanting to watch. And then I also need to get my car washed today, and I need to go to Goodwill. What's up guys? So it's currently almost 1 o'clock now. I was on the phone with my friend and then we were talking for like an hour, just catching up. She's on a road trip right now, so we were just talking while she was driving. I'm gonna go to the car wash now, and I'm also gonna run through Goodwill. They have a little drive-through like drop-off center. Noah and I had some old clothes that can't be really like sold at a thrift shop or something. They're not nice enough to sell, but I just wanted to bring some stuff over to Goodwill so I could donate it there and just let someone else have it. So I'm gonna go drop off a bin of clothes at Goodwill drive-through, and then I'm gonna head to the car wash, get my car washed inside and out. Now that my car is like a gray color, you can see the dirt like so much quicker than my white one. That's kind of my plan for now. I'm gonna bring my work phone so I can do some work while I sit at the car wash. And I got my phone, and I'll bring my AirPods. I need my wallet. And I think that's everything for now. Got my water, and we're gonna go off. dropped off my little Goodwill donation, and now we are going to the car wash.
Where would you like to go?
Cobblestone.
Okay, here's what I found.
Okay guys, I just got home. My camera's about to die, but I haven't updated you guys yet. But basically, I'm pulling a prank on Noah because it's April Fool's today, and my friend and I, we've been talking on the phone all day because she's on an 8-hour road trip by herself. So basically, I went to the pet groomers this morning, and then we were talking about April Fool's, and then we were like, we should pull a prank on Noah, and I was like, what should we do? We start coming up with ideas. Long story short, because he's gonna be here any second, pretended that I bought a dog at the pet groomers and that they had like a little pop-up rescue shelter thing, and I brought home a little pug, and I like sent him a picture of it. I told him that I ran to the car wash and that the cats are in the living room and the dog's in our bedroom, so when he gets home, he's gonna see this. I like to prank, but just little small ones here and there, but I thought it was funny. So I sent him a picture of this dog, and I was like, they haven't been able to find it a home for weeks, and like they waived the adoption fee for me if I would take him, so I did. I really wish I had him though. Like, this is the cutest little pug I've ever seen, and now that I'm doing this prank, like I actually want the dog, so I'm sad. It's not real. I wish it was real. It's just a baby prank. It's nothing crazy, so he'll probably just laugh. What's up guys? It's the next day. I have a client in about 30 minutes, but I got my new posters delivered yesterday, so I'm gonna open these for you guys and switch out my little menus because I updated some of my services, so I'm gonna put the new menus in real quick before my client gets here. Just put up my new signs. They look so good. I just reprinted my service menus because I updated some of my services. So now I have facials, lashes, and brows, and some extras down there too. I have 3 clients, and I'll be doing 2 returning fills, a brow makeover, and a Pro Skin 30, and then a lash lift. So I'm super excited for the day. 10:55, so my client should be here any minute now, but I just put up my new signs as you guys saw. I don't know how much time I'll have today to vlog in between clients and everything because I'm booked back to back, but I will keep you guys updated as much as I can throughout the day.